All right, we are going to use three numbers and write four expressions showing a relationship between these numbers. So here we go. I have a 14, a 5, and a 9, and this first one is very straightforward. 9 and 5 is obviously 14, so we'll just start there. 9 plus 5 is 14, which means that 5 plus 9 is also 14. That means that 14 minus 5 has to be 9. 14 minus 9 has to be 5, so we will write those two expressions as well. 14 minus 9 is 5, and 14 minus 5 is 9. So 4 expressions. On the other side here, we have 8, 72, and 9. There's a relationship clearly between those two. 72 divided by 8 is 9, so let's start there. 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9, which means that 9 times 8 has to be 72. So 9 times 8 is 72. That means that 8 times 9 also 72, and 72 divided by 9 must be 8. So 72 divided by 9, so I'm going to write it as a fraction, but it's a division expression, is equal to 8. So the back asks us about some division expressions. So what I have here is I have 5 divided by 1/4. What we're really asking ourselves is how many pieces of size 1/4 can I find in a size 5? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5, and I want to know how many 1/4 that is. So what we'll do, we will first partition each of these into fourths. So here we have 1/4 and 1/4. These are all 1/4 pieces, and there are 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if I partition each of these, 5, 6, 7, 8, because they are all 1/4 pieces. There are 4 here, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another 4 here, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then 20. So there are 20 1/4 pieces. 5 divided by 1/4 is 20. On the bottom here, get us all set up, 2 divided by 4/5. So I'm asking myself, how many pieces of size 4/5? How many 4/5 are in 2? So I'm going to take out groups of 4/5. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to make a bar that's worth 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4/5. So this is 4/5. It's cut into 4 pieces, right? There's my 4/5. Now I'm going to count another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another 4/5. Right? So there's 1 4/5. There's 2 4/5. And I'm going to do another 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm only going to here. So there's my 4/5. Right there. 4/5, 4/5, 4/5. That's how big the piece is. But I only need this much of it. So that is 2 out of the 4/5. So that is a half of the 4/5. So 2 divided by 4/5 is equal to 1, 2, and 1/2.